Hi, I'm Kim Brown. Glad you could join me today. As you see, my office is looking a little bare. I'm going on vacation, and while I'm gone, my office is being painted. So I needed to get everything out of here. But as I was doing so, I began to realize I was feeling this strange, uncomfortable feeling, a sinking feeling. For me, it's like I'm falling in a bottomless pit and there's nothing to grab hold of. Now, thanks to tapping, I know now to ask myself some questions. There was nothing wrong with moving the stuff out of my office, so what was going on? And when I asked myself some questions, I discovered that my unconscious was equating this with moving. And the last time I moved was when I left Florida after my husband died. So I was able to tap on any remaining stuff surrounding that move. I was able to reassure myself, I'm safe, all is well. My office is being painted. That's what all this moving process is about. When we tap, when we ask questions, we can discover why we feel yuck today, or depressed today, or angry today, when it doesn't seem like the events of the day maybe warrant that. It's most likely leading you back to a previous experience. Now, prior to tapping, that sinking feeling would have continued. I would have gotten into it, I would have felt it, I would have headed off on my vacation, taken that feeling with me. But thanks to tapping, I don't have to. I was able to release it and let it go, and now I can go on my vacation and enjoy it. No sinking feeling has to come with me. The most amazing experience you will ever have is the experience of changing your mind. Consider giving yourself permission to do so. You really are worth it. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, no matter what you've experienced in the past, today is a new day. See you next time.